Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's Valuebank here. In this video, I'm actually going to be showing us how to get a free dollar account with Getcleva. So all you have to do is go to getcleva.com. Now, Getcleva is a platform that you can actually get a dollar account that you can use to receive payment from platforms like Amazon KDP, from Fiverr, from Upwork, like all these platforms that I actually need to, you understand, receive payment from, like from overseas and all that. So this is the website. So all you need to do is click on the website. So this is the website. Now, if you are in the Getcleva account, if you have an account already, all you just need to do is to just log in. But if you don't have an account, all you need to do is click on create account. Okay, it's an easy process to actually do. So let's just allow it to load. Okay, so when you actually come here, all you just need to do is fill out your first name and your last name. Okay, you fill out your country, your email. Okay, you come and add your phone number. Okay, so you add your phone number. Okay, then you create your password, right? Okay, then the referral code is optional. How did you hear about Clever? You can just pick anything. Okay, keep me in the loop. I consent to receive emails about Clever, including products updates. You just tick yes. I have read and agreed to Clever terms, and you just click yes. Okay, so what you want to do is click on create account. Okay, so as you can see, user successfully created. Let me just save. So the next thing you have to do is to go and verify your email, right? You go and verify your email. So as you can see, we've gotten a mail from Getcleva. So verify email. Just click on verify email and it will take you back to the Clever website. So you click on, you see email verified successfully, click on, then you input your password and you log in. Okay, you see successfully login. Then the next thing, it will actually prompt you to create a 4-digit pin. Okay, so you can just create a 4-digit pin, then confirm your pin. Okay, then submit. Okay, you can decide to save, or let me just say, you see transaction pin created. Okay, then you continue. Okay, so this is my account has now been created. Now the next thing I'll be doing is to making sure I complete my, you see here where they are saying your identity needs to be verified, so you just click on KYC. Okay, and you see the things that you need to provide. You see provide your personal information, upload your ID. You see different IDs that you can actually upload: passport, voters card, driver license, or national ID, NIN. You understand? Upload your selfie of you holding your ID. You get? So you upload a selfie, you take a photo of yourself holding an ID. You understand? Then you upload here. You get? Then you click on get started. So let me show you what they mean by upload a selfie holding an ID. So let's just go to Google and let's type someone holding an ID. Okay, an ID card. Okay, there's you see, you look at this kind of image, so you just upload a photo of yourself holding your ID like this, you understand? So that is what they mean by that. Okay, so that is what they mean by that. So we'll start with we'll now click on get started. Then you put your first name. Your middle name is optional. You can actually decide to put it, you can decide not to put it. For me, let me just include it there. Okay, then you include your date of birth, very important. So let me just pause the video to actually fill out all this section so that the video will not be too long. So at this section you put your BVN. Okay, so you put your BVN here. Okay, this section you put your LinkedIn address, your LinkedIn profile, your public profile. Okay, so let me just go and copy this. This is my LinkedIn profile. Copy, let's go back. Okay, we'll just paste. Okay, you fill your monthly income. You can choose 1,000 to 5,000. You can choose less than. Okay, so anyone, you can just say less than 1,000 or 1,000 to 5,000. Okay, where do you expect most of your payments into Clever to come from? Please select max 2 sources. Okay, now you choose the platform that you expect your payment to be from. Other platforms, e.g. Airbnb, Amazon. Okay, you can choose Pioneer, you can choose Fiverr or Upwork, you understand? So they say you should choose 2 options. Other US banks, survey platforms, Mercury or Brex. Okay, you can just choose this. Then you put your BVN. So I will just pause the video and include my BVN. Then I'll click on next. Okay, so I've actually included my BVN. So all you just need to do is to now save and continue, right? So the next thing you see, BVN verified successfully. So just click on next. Okay, so the next thing you do, you will be prompted to upload your ID card. Okay, you get your information is complete. The next thing here is document. So tips for uploading your ID card: ensure the picture is clear and not blurry, ensure the ID card is not expired, ensure you are in a well lit area that is not dark, ensure the selfie shows your face. You understand? So all you just need to do is you choose your means of identification. You can choose your voter's card, driver's license, or national ID card. So once you choose, you have to click here and it will take you to your device and you have to upload. Okay, so let me just do that. Okay, so you go to your folder. Once you click here, you see upload national ID card NIN. You go to your folder where the file is. So here is the card. Upload. Okay, you come here and you upload the selfie and you click on upload. Okay, okay, so you just click on upload. So it will start uploading your identity card. You see document successfully uploaded. So the next thing you have to do is click on continue. KYC pending. Thank you for submitting your information. We send you a notification within 1 to 2 days with the status of your verification. You understand? So once your account has been approved, okay, you will see an email notification that your account has been approved. As you can see, KYC pending, please check back in 2 to 5 days. You understand? So immediately you come back, you will see that your account has been approved. So once your account has been approved, you can now go ahead and do a lot of things. You understand? You create the account, USD account. You understand? So you can see you cannot create a USD account until the account has been verified. You understand? So once your account has been verified, you can create your USD account. You can come here and you can create your Getcleva card. Okay, and you can do transfer and all that. You can make transfers. You can see you can make transfer, incoming, outgoing. You understand? Getcleva account has actually been verified, you know. So on the 8th of August, which was this month, I actually started registering the Getcleva account, and it took them about a week plus few days to actually verify the account. As you can see, this 16th, then this was 17th. You understand? And I actually got this email from Getcleva saying, congratulations, your Getcleva account has been verified. You understand? They are saying, dear Messiah Jonah, congratulations, your KYC verification was successful. Now that your account has been verified, you can start receiving USD payments, saving in USD, and paying out to your local bank account. Thank you for choosing Getcleva. Best regards, the team, the Getcleva team. You understand? So we can now go ahead and create our dollar account. So if you are coming here, you are seeing this my name, and you see the current exchange rate of the dollar in Nigerian naira. Then you tap to open a Getcleva USD account. So all you need to do is to click on this. You understand? You can see create a USD account. Create a USD account to receive US dollars. You understand? So you click on create account. You see your account created successfully. So it's very easy for you to create a virtual account, dollar account, once your the KYC has been verified. You get? So it took about like a week plus before they verify the account. That is one thing you have to know. So in terms of actually like getting Getcleva to verify your account, it takes a longer time compared to GigPay, compared to Gray, compared to Pioneer. You understand? So they actually take a lot of time, and I never actually wanted to message their team to tell them why haven't they verified the account and all that. So I just wanted to wait to see how long it would take. So it took like 7 days to it took like 9 days before they actually verified the account, which is very poor in my own end compared to other platforms. You understand? So account has been created. So all I need to do is click on view account to see the USD account. As you can see, the account has actually been created. So this is the account details here. You see that it's showing active, and you see that we currently have we currently have nothing yet because we've not used the account, this account, to actually receive payment. So as you can see, you can also generate account statement, and you can view your account details here. You get your account details to receive USD. The minimum deposit you can receive is $1.5. Micro deposit amounts less than $1 used for account confirmation can still be received. The maximum deposit is $5,000. Now this is also according to what I filled when I was actually choosing how much I could actually be making or receiving per month. I actually clicked on $1,000 to $5,000. So if you also make more than that, you also have the option of choosing a higher amount more than that, you understand. So this is it. So this my details. You see the full name, account name, you see the full name, you see the bank, you understand, and you see everything. So you can now use this to receive payment from Fiverr. You can use it to receive payment from PayPal. You can use it to receive payment from Amazon. You understand, any platform that actually accepts the US dollars, you can actually use it to receive payment from them, you get. So that is how it works. So you see, creating your Getcleva account is easy. Our next video will actually be doing a video on how to actually get a Getcleva card. So you see that you can get and create a Getcleva card, okay, and use to, in case maybe you want to run Amazon ads, or you want to use it to make payments online, you want to actually use it to subscribe for GPT as a publisher, or you want to use it to make any payments online that actually requires USD, you can also use this card to actually make such payments. So I believe you have actually gained value in this video. I'll be linking the link for you to the Getcleva website link below, so that you can actually register and get your Getcleva account for free. Now this account is for free, and if I'll also drop my referral code in the description below. So if you actually use my referral code to actually register, I'll actually get a token for the registration. This is just a way of saying an appreciation, you understand, for actually creating this wonderful video for you guys. So you can just use my promo code, or I'll just show it in the screen here. So anytime you're actually coming to get your Getcleva account, you can just click on the link, or you can use the code that you're currently seeing on your screen. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I am Valuebank, and I'll be rooting for you all from afar. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. And before I forget, we are still actually doing 50% discount on the Inner Circle mentorship. So if you are interested in learning how to do Amazon KDP the right way and make a lot of money for yourself, then you can actually subscribe to the mentorship. Now I actually teach a lot of things when it comes to the Inner Circle, and how you can actually go from a total beginner to become a pro publisher on KDP. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.